Welcome! If you're getting tired of constant Snapchat notifications every time your friends add something to their story, you're definitely not alone. Those alerts can pile up fast and become pretty distracting. The good news is you can easily turn them off in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access your account settings. Next, find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and is usually located in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now scroll down until you see the notifications option and tap on that. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Snapchat, so this is where we'll make the change. Once you're inside notifications, keep scrolling down until you find the option labeled Stories from Friends. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you're getting those alerts. All you need to do here is uncheck or toggle off that option.